acting funky, can't ignore. Need a fix, need it fast, no time to delay. So I hit up eBay and found the Parston way. From car kits to distributors, they've got it all. Fuel injector service, one quick call. Old or new, ride or race, they never stall. Parston's the name, they answer the call. Parston, the legends of the lane, keeping engines purring, driving through the rain. Whatever your fix, the shift in the game, Parston's the now, remember the name. I used to stress over parts, spending all day. Now just browse and click, the Parston's on the way. OEM aftermarket and rare finds too, with quality and service that always comes through. Throttle, body, fuel, rail, whatever I need, Parston's got the goods to make my car breathe. They're the pit crew pros behind the speed, helping DIY dreams truly succeed. Parston, the legends of the lane, keeping engines purring, driving through the rain. Whatever your fix, the shift in the game, Parston's the now, remember the name. When the ride gets rough, don't break a sweat, they'll have that order shipped and set. From the classics to the turbo 2 machines, Parston fuels automotive dreams. Cartsten, best car parts again and again. Cartsten, the best car parts again and again.